Hello everyone, today I Nikita Kanwar on behalf of my team Amigos am here to present our ATL project under Marathon Pillar Economy, and we worked upon the problem statement: innovate to provide equal opportunities, skill development and encouraged participation of women in local businesses. And our title is Doyen, which means the most respected and prominent women in particular fields. And we have opted for this theme because most of the women are facing the challenges in standing forward for her own rights. And the solution to this drastic concern is by educating a woman can take her 3 P's knowledge of pickle, powder and papad to 3 E's, that is engineering, electronics and energy. And mostly affected areas are rural areas where women suffers to stand. She lacks her self-respect there, and we must provide education and capital to women to develop this prototype over those areas. And the government policies are must to support the women for local businesses, as it promotes a positive attitude through role models and ambassadors, and also helps in developing the entrepreneurship skills through training courses and mentoring mentoring, access to finance through financial literacy and a range of financial instruments. And the ATL tools and technologies we have used is education, mentorship support and welfare. And here we have the data collected for the whole world. So we can see that the graph 1 shows a proportion of self-employed with employees, and graph 2 is distribution of self-employment by industries. It's a comparison between a man and women. And here graph 1 on the next slide shows the percentage of the women who failed in her first attempt. We can see most of the women's failed in their first attempt. And the second graph shows the percentage of the individuals by gender who answered yes to the question, do you have access to the money you would need if you wanted to start or grow a business. Also the women lacks here. And also we can see the next 2 graphs. From all the 6 graphs we concluded that women's not only in India lags behind but also in developed countries. So to overcome all the circumstances, not only in India but the whole world, where the women suffers or lags behind, so we have collected the survey data from different people to know what does the Indian people thinks about. So this was our first question: do women lags behind in local businesses because of male dominating societies? And this was the data collected by us. And this was our next question: that government should organize the national or state welfares for women to present or show their innovative ideas. Most of them have said yes. And we also had a suggestion based question, and that was how a woman can start her new business. Suggest some examples, and most of the people have suggested their examples, and some of them are also mentioned here. And we should encourage a women entrepreneur in India to increase their participation in the Indian economy, and we have mentioned all our reports and research on these. And why does India needs more women entrepreneurs? Because women entrepreneurs are growing in India. Today we have 13.5 to 15.7 million women owned enterprises, representing 20% of total entrepreneurs, just 20%. So we should increase that to increase our Indian economy. And there are some challenges which are faced by the women while starting her new business. The first one would be the male dominating societies, her financial conditions, less effective entrepreneurial networks and many more. And how a policy can support a women entrepreneurs. Here some points are mentioned: how the government can help the small women's, And this is all our conclusion part of the objectives we have done, and we conclude with that the accelerating education and women entrepreneurship from the current 20 to 30% can create over 30 million women owned enterprises by 2030. So now I would like to thank my co-partners Praneet and Rushikesh, who helped me to make this project successful and helped me to find out the information and research documents. And biggest thank goes to Naveen sir, who mentored and directed us the right way. And now